Dorky. What are you doing? Dorky wants out. Swiffer wants in. This is why we haven't been cooking. I had to take the grill apart and clean it. Look at that. I got all that out. All that stuff. I bought new triangles. You know, heat displacers that go. There's like 1, 2, 3. And I still got a lot more to clean, but I've been spraying everything with this solvent. And I gotta clean all that. But anyway, race is getting ready to come on. So Tommy's coming over. Uncle Tommy's gonna come visit. Dorky. Tommy's coming over. She'll disappear. I'm letting you know. We're gonna have company. You know what company means, right? Yeah, she's gonna take off. But anyway, you guys have a nice day. And hopefully by tomorrow I'll get this thing put back together. Oh, and I gotta change the battery in the igniter. I gotta do that too. So anyway, you guys have a good one. And we'll talk to you later. Bye, Dorky. Tommy should be here pretty soon. See you tonight.